What's up, Simon here. In this episode of Tech Visibility, I promised you guys that I would also test out the Tune 510 BTs. Now, in the last video I checked out the Tune 500 BTs and they sounded really good. They fit a little bit tight, and these 510 BTs are the level up. They are a little more expensive. These are going currently for about $50 on Amazon. The link is below in the description. And I'm gonna go ahead, unbox, review, and give you my thoughts on how these sound with bass. They advertise a lot of bass. The 500 BTs had a good crisp quality bass with really good sound coming out, and the 510 BTs supposedly have a better battery life, and we'll see if they even sound better. So before I get into this review, I ask that you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out techvisibility.com for the latest product reviews and news, as well as the article on these 510 BTs, which will come out as well. Let's get into this video. Pure Bass Wireless JBL by Harman. These are the 510 BTs. You know, 40-hour battery life. That's the big difference. The 500 BTs had a battery life of 16 hours with a 5-minute charge for 1 hour. So these actually give you 2 hours on a 5-minute charge, and they're very similar to the design packaging of the 500 BTs. In fact, it's identical, so I'm kind of seeing if there's going to be any difference in sound, or are you paying just a little more money for the battery. So I went ahead and cut out the two little pieces of tape here. I'm going to go ahead and open these up. Very similar design. In fact, I think it's identical. They look identical. The headband is identical. These are identical. I think the only difference is going to be the battery life, okay? So I'm not going to go into the manual, although these don't have a silly plastic packaging in there. It's more of a tape design, but I know how these operate. So the manual you could check out on the internet, but I'll go over the functionality. Here, double pressing the plus will give you the next song, double pressing the minus a previous song. Pressing the answer button once is to accept a call, to hang up a call, and reject a call. You hold it for 2 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds to power these on. That's the power indicator. You see the Bluetooth is trying to pair. On top of here, you have your charging. Now these are USB-Cs. The 500s were older, so they were not USB-Cs, and these are the vents for the cushions. The cushions feel the same as the 500 BTs. Soft, but a little cheap feeling, and again, the band is not there. Also, like the 500 BTs, the headband is super stiff. I mean, the 500 BTs hurt my head just listening to them for a little while, and look how much stress is on the 510 BTs. So these are meant for skinnier heads. I will put them on. Like the 500 BTs, the 510 BTs have the same size cones for their ears, and they are too small for my ears, so I feel like constantly one of the ears is either over or under, and they're just not really fitting perfectly. So that is a no-no. I will go ahead and pair them. They are tight. Like if I wore these for a long period of time, that's too tight for me, and I have more of a narrow head. Imagine if you're a bigger guy, that's a lot of pressure. I mean, that's a lot of stiffness that you would have to deal with throughout the day. These do fold in, so if you got them in your little bag, or if you put them in your backpack, or you're taking them to school, that's great. But the 500 sounded great. I assume the same sound is gonna come from the 510s, and we just have a better battery life, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and listen, or pair these first, excuse me. This is the screen for pairing. So you go into the Bluetooth, you look up the device, and in this case it should pop up. If it doesn't, you need to turn it on again by holding the button for 2 seconds, and there you go. You're seeing a light indicator. The 510 BTs by JBL, or the Tune 510 BTs, are up, and now we are paired. So I could go ahead, go into my app, and listen to some music here, and let's see how they sound. Oh yeah.
See, Rush. Indies, hey. Plotting on the majors, trying to make it from the minors. Looking at what's ahead, trying to.
Oh yeah. Oh man, the bass is so nice on these. I love these. Listen, I would rock them. For the price of $50, they're great. Can't really hear myself talk. I'm immersed in the music. The bass, it's crisp. The mids are good. The lows are good. The highs are really good. So no distortion whatsoever. That bass is a crisp thump, just like the 500 BTs. I can't tell if these are much better. I think it's a little bit better in terms of sound, but they're nearly identical. The battery life is what these are all about. I wish the cones were bigger. Less stress on the head, but maybe that gives with time. I don't notice the band not having enough support. It's fine. The music is great. Let me test these out on another song that is maybe more country-like or just more melody, like a dance song or something.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small.
Oh man, I'm loving these. I'm loving these. They're so clear, okay? The sound sounds so good. They're so clear. Overall, they're just wonderful. So overall, they're really good. Really clear. You're not going to have any problems. I'm going to go ahead and make a phone call with these and see how the phone call sounds as well. Hey, what's up? It's Simon at Tech.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, I'm testing the JBL by Harman TUNE 510 BTs. How do I sound?
Sounds great, not muffled.
Excellent, excellent. All right, so I made a phone call here to you just because I didn't test the 500s. I forgot to, but the 510s sound good. Now I'm still sounding muffled. You sound clear, and I hope I still sound clear.
Still clear.
Okay, cool. All right, I appreciate it. Thanks, man. Bye.
Yeah, you bet.
All right, so I just made a phone call. I sounded a little nasally because there's still some noise canceling here. So overall, they sound great. The music sounds good. I mean, did you see the issue with me removing it? I almost took my head off. That's how springy this is. Comment in below if you feel that way too, or if these hurt your head after wearing them for a while. On Amazon, these go for about $50. The link is below. There are about 9,300 reviews on Amazon. And with the 9,300 reviews, I could see why a lot of people have purchased this product, because the quality of the sound is incredible for the price. If you have no issue with the smaller ear cups and possibly some strain on your head, you'd be fine. I say that these come in a lot of different colors. So there's the blue, the pink, and the white. And maybe for a smaller head, these are perfect. So the big difference between the 510 BTs, it looks like, is the battery life. You're getting 40 hours on the 510 BTs versus the 500 BTs. And the reason is because they have a better battery inside. Overall, that's pretty much the upgrade. You're also getting the USB-C connection instead of a mini, but that's not a big difference to me. The sound is great on both. I do think slightly better on the 510 BTs, but I would not be able to tell the difference. Bluetooth 5.0, so there's no latency or lag. Double the hours of charge time, so a 5-minute charge gives you 2 hours instead of 1 compared to the 510 BTs. And everything else is pretty much the same on these. So overall, great product. Something you should consider for maybe your first pair of headphones. Maybe something if you love a lot of music or a lot of audiobooks. I would not use these on the airplane or in any environment where it requires a lot of noise canceling. I don't know if I could wear these all day either because of the way they felt on my head. They seem to be geared towards a smaller person. For, let's say, your daughter or your son, someone that's growing up like a teenager, these might actually be really good. So overall, great sound quality out of these JBL TUNE 510 BTs, great battery life. Happy with them. I do recommend them for those points that I mentioned. I would not recommend them as your main headphones if you're an adult traveling, etc. So that's an honest opinion. If you enjoyed this review, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out techvisibility.com for the latest product reviews and news. We'll also review this product on there, and I'll catch you guys here in the next video. Bye.